Welcome to another holiday card series video. In this video, I'll show you how to make this elegant reindeer holiday card. Shown here are all of the supplies that you need to make this card. The first step is to take your pencil and draw out the design. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Then switch over to your thin blue pen and outline everything. So I started by outlining the reindeer, and then I moved on to outlining the lettering inside of the reindeer body, which I'm going to leave white when I color everything in the next step. I switched over to a thicker blue pen to color everything in. This again is a Faber-Castell pen, which are my favorite, and the exact blue that I'm using here is linked down below. And simply just go around all of your lettering and fill in the entire reindeer blue. Or perhaps you choose to use a different color. That's another easy way to customize this design and change up the look of the card. The next step is to draw in the kind of scarf design around the reindeer's neck. Here I'm using a silver Recollections pen. And then I decided to add kind of one rhinestone accent kind of on the base of the scarf there. So I simply laid out the rhinestone where I wanted it, and then once I was happy with it, I took my glue and I glued it on. But this, of course, is entirely optional. It just adds a little bit of extra sparkle to the card. Once the glue is dry, this elegant Reindeer Merry Christmas card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. Thanks for watching.